would like to give my report of the wind damage on the south side of Chicago by Charles S. Deneen School with two addresses, 7240 South Wabash and 7257 South State Street. Beyond the forest, that's Charles S. Deneen. See? This is the parking lot. And the alcove in between the buildings is the playground. Now, if you notice, look what the wind did to the garbage cans. I didn't get a wind warning on my WGN weather report or from FEMA. Now, this garbage can is our garbage can at 7212 South Wabash. I can't figure out how the wind that did that took the garbage can from here and put it there. But I cannot understand what that is on the top of the smokestack at Charles S. Deneen, or all of the technology wires on rotted poles of the telephone company. Pick one. AT&T, Beartech, don't know. Illinois Bell, I have no idea. But our other garbage can that was right here is now all the way over there. Wind damage. See? It says 7212. All by the florist shop. The wind carried it through the air from here. I picked WGN because WGN is based in Chicago. Not a notice for the wind to pick up and carry a garbage can with garbage in it. What is that? About 20 feet? And to move a garbage can from here to there in a ditch. What's that, Streets and Sanitations of Chicago? Look at the trees blowing in the wind. That's some wind. Chicago Public Schools. Do you think that the trees will fall over on the students? This is my report. Noise pollution. Environment Protection Agency. From 72nd and Wabash, Chicago, Illinois, 60619-mail delivery 1050.